Mortgage Solutions, brought to you by Jennifer Gadet, your mortgage broker and mortgage relocation specialist, located at the Canex Mall, 14 Wing, Greenwood, Nova Scotia.
Jack and Liam need a mortgage. They want a low interest rate with exactly the right features that will allow them to live comfortably with their mortgage and pay it off in record time. They need to shop around. Their bank is great for their day-to-day transactions, but might not be the best choice for their mortgage because a bank represents just one available lender. A friend referred Jack and Liam to Mortgage Intelligence. They have access to over 50 lenders, including most of the major banks, credit unions, and other national, regional, and private lenders. Mortgage Intelligence is big. They have over 1,000 brokers across Canada, over 650,000 happy customers, and have funded over $140 billion in mortgages. In 2015, they celebrated their 15th anniversary and were named Best National Brokerage at the Canadian Mortgage Awards. And because they have a great reputation and long-standing experience, they have clout with lenders to negotiate great rates and limited time specials, passing those savings on to their customers. All of their brokers must meet high compliance standards, and every day they work in the best interest of their customers. Jack and Liam met with their friendly neighborhood mortgage intelligence broker. They got advice that will make a significant difference in their financial life. Their broker helped them make the right decision about fixed versus variable, term length, prepayment options, payment flexibility, and other mortgage privileges. They also got great advice on their down payment and all of the closing costs involved in buying their home. Jack and Liam even had their mortgage covered with life, disability, and critical illness insurance, just in case life throws them a curveball. Jack and Liam saved money and time. They appreciated that everything relating to their mortgage was managed around their busy schedule. Their broker was paid by the lender selected and did all the work for them at no cost, which applies to the vast majority of situations. Jack and Liam are now happy homeowners, and they're glad their mortgage broker will stay with them for the life of their mortgage with advice and opportunities. They even referred their broker to their friends, family, and colleagues, including some that had financing challenges, because Mortgage Intelligence has lenders for those needs too. If you need a mortgage for a purchase, renewal, or refinance, get Mortgage Intelligence working for you.